Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mckoy once again. Today we are going to react to another beatboxing video from Swiss Beatboxing. Guys, whoo! Shout out from So just came out. Now I'm very excited to hear this one because, you know, first time I've heard about him was during the loop station battles, man. I really like how he used, you know, some elements from his culture and then transformed it or combined it into a beatbox masterpiece. So, you know, Japan, they're really great when it comes to games and anime, and we heard that during the loop station battle of So. And yeah, here we go guys, a special shout out. So without further ado, my man, let's do this. If you're not subscribed to Swiss Beatbox, check out their channel. They put up a lot of great contents. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Please hit the bell notification button as well for you guys to be updated whenever I upload a new beatboxing video, beatbox tutorial video, or beatbox reaction video. Alright, so without further ado, my man, let's do this in 3, 2, 1, beat! Alright, that's good. That's good. What the Okay, so I get I get the idea where he's doing something inward where like, but I don't know how he's doing that, like a double voice. I think is that right? What the hell? Hold on. Hold on. Whoa! Can you hear the bass and the high note at the same time, and it's an inward sound? What the Alright. Yo, I want to have that mic. It's really crisp.
Let me break. Thank you.
Yo.
You're so kind.
Thanks. I'm so happy.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
Thank
me
you.
too.
Big shout out to Japan.
Yeah, big shout out to world.
Thank you, bro.
I think. No, I somehow know some of the parts that he's doing, the special sounds, because I'm really happy to hear So do this, my man. The thing that I really can't figure out is how he's doing that inward double voice, my man. There's bass and there's a high note happening during the inwards on the intro. That's really hard. I really can't imagine how he's doing that. Yo, So, I hope you're seeing this, man. Yay! I hope we can do some collaboration someday. I don't know. Makes me happy whenever I hear someone do special sounds that you know, I know how to do as well. I don't know, this made me happy today. So good job, So. Good job. So there you go, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed my reaction for today. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. You might want to hit the bell notification button. And if you are not yet subscribed to Swiss Beatbox, guys, visit their channel and hit the subscribe button. Alright, so I'm going to see you again in my next reaction video.